Nasa Norway pa po.
Ay, kamo ba yung bata?
Well, time for my children to meet their mother.
But why is he here? I thought this dinner is just for us sitting.
Pati rin ako ng pamilya ko. Your brother.
In-law. President. Well, I already told them and he said,
Pwede bang kumain muna tayo ng kapunan bago ay mag-away sa magkakapatid? Is that possible?
Ella,
Hey,
let's walk over.
sure. Okay. You were sure? Thank you. You just don't need to be First of all, may birthday. At saka, malayo pa ang Pasko. Ah,
So,
Tagal ah.
first response.
tuloy na. Maganda gabi. Hindi. Ikaw. Hindi mo ba nagustuhan niya kung nagdalaw mo yung pare? Kasalanan si Paco. Okay lang ba? Okay lang. Sige. Yeah.
But why do you need to see? Dad, I thought this is a family affair. Sino ba siya?
Dapat kasi nandito si Christopher para sana. Pero since we don't know when he's coming, I will tell you.
This is too much. Tell us what?
This handsome young man here is Napoleon Galano. And by the way, he's your brother. Ay, napoy na lang. Napoy ba?
No, mature agad ah.
Sir, brother?
Pinapos na ako sa oras. Parang lang po. Sino pong mas matanda